The SUV's coming up the driveway. Heads up, SUV coming up the driveway.
It's going to be a productive meeting. ゼレンスキー大統領を乗せた車がホワイトハウスに到着しました。
President Zelensky, what is your message?
I would say most likely it's going to be a double meeting.
Congratulations with your successful ceasefire in the Middle East.
But hopefully they won't need it. Hopefully we'll be able to get the war over with without thinking about tomahawks. Hey, we want tomahawks also. We don't want to be giving away things that we need to protect our country. Something we'll be talking about. You're right. It's an escalation, but we'll be talking about that.
Ukraine has such thousands of our production drones, but we don't have tomahawks. That's why we need tomahawks. But United States is a very strong. I think this is a momentum to finish Russia's war against Ukraine. Bilateral security guarantees between me and President Trump is very important.
Allowing the Ukrainians to strike into Russia, fearing of this escalation.
Yeah.
Would your administration
Tomahawks, so we need a lot of other weapons that we're sending to Ukraine. One of the reasons we want to get this week.
The second point, we need ceasefire. Even now, you see in the Middle East, good opportunity to meet with the big American energy companies